26 Charlie Tango, 25, 27, pedestrian mobile.
CQ channel 8, CQ channel 8. CQ and CB is only radio amateurs. CQ and CB is only radio amateurs. CQ. This is 26 Charlie Tango, 25, 27. Pedestrian mobile, Hertfordshire, UK. Calling. CQ channel 8, CQ channel 8, CQ any CBers or any radio amateurs. CQ any CBers or any radio amateurs. This is 26 Charlie Tango, 25 or 27, pedestrian mobile, Hertfordshire, calling and standing by.
Anywhere much to the south is blocked by the northaw. So I've got about 180 degrees of good direction, and 180 degrees to the south is not so great. Right, there's now going to be another slight pause while I go down and put my tea in the oven.
Test, 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 test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is test. 1, 2, 1, 2. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a test with a Rectivus 771 antennae. Rectivus 771 antennae with a barrel thing. And I can't remember the model number because it hasn't got it written on it. So da di da di da, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Test, test, test. Or the Rectivus, whatever how you pronounce it, 771 antennae.
The radio was called a clear tone commando. The clear tone commander. There was a number, I've forgotten it. I don't have the radio anymore, but when I scrapped it, I kept the phone. And it actually looks like it's actually the same microphone that's on one of my old Icon 2-meter rigs. It's the same microphone, but slightly rebranded as the one on my old IC22. But there's a story behind the IC22 as well. I bought it back in 1980 for £50 second hand, and since then I'd spent £100 on crystals for it. And I actually wanted to know how old it was, so I sent the serial number in an email to to Icon in Japan, and they emailed back that it was made in November 1972. Now I'm talking, nobody's listening.
CQ, channel 8, CQ and CBs or any radio amateurs. This is 26, Charlie Tango, 25, 27, pedestrian mobile, South Hertfordshire calling.
Station in Hertfordshire, I can hear you just about, but you're fluttering up and down in signal to the point where your signal isn't really readable with me.
Hello, can you hear me now? This is 26, Charlie Tango, 25, 27, pedestrian mobile, Hertfordshire, South Hertfordshire.
That's right, you are mobile.
Oh no, I'm not moving, I'm standing still.
I'm in Kent.
Oh blimey, that's quite a distance. I'm using this little barrel thing, I don't know what the model number is, and a Rectivus 771 antennae. So I'm only on about 4 watts.
Yeah, it's about the same as I'm running. The only problem that I've got is that I can't accurately get on the correct frequency. The nearest that I can get is 095. I can't do the 6 1/4 steps with my radio.
Okay, what's your call sign?
Alpha Lima 42. If you're interested, my name is Chris and I'm in Gravesend.
Oh, thank you very much. Well, you're a very good signal over here. I'm portable. I'm in a little wood in Hertfordshire.
Yeah, you're giving me about 2 blobs on the meter. It's a blobs meter, so I don't really know what sort of signal strength that actually means. For what it's worth, you're giving me about 2 blobs.
Okay, well I don't know, I'm not sure what you're giving me, but your Radio 5, absolutely fantastic. Radio 5 over here. My personal is Andy in Hertfordshire, South Hertfordshire, doing my lockdown walk.
You're actually using a handheld.
Roger. Roger, roger. I'm using a little handheld, about 3 or 4 watts, into a Retrivus 771 antennae. This is a little rubber ducky.
My word, that's quite a good range then. I think we're the furthest distance that I've managed to contact was about 17 miles. I worked from Gravesend to Southend, about 17 miles just on a handheld, and that was about the best range that I managed to achieve.
Yeah, roger. Well, I'm not sure the distance between us and Gravesend. It might be about 20 miles, maybe, I'm guessing, in a direct line.
Yeah, one of the things we'll have to do is program the frequencies into the memories instead of having it in VFO mode. That way I'll be able to easily change to a different channel.
Right, so what actual, what radio are you on?
It's a Yaesu FT1907R. It's a standalone 77s mobile rig. I've also got the matching 1900E, which is the 2-meter version. And they're both connected via a diplexer to the single Comet antenna.
Roger, roger. Yeah, at home I've got a, oh dear, I can't remember the name now, CRT, I think it's called a CRT Space U. Tiny little square box, like a little bit bigger than maybe two fag packets put together. So I can describe it. And it's meant to be pushing out about 15 watts. But I've got a little J antennae, I think it's J-pole, not a J-pole. Something a J anyway, I can't remember. And it's in the loft. And I've been trying to get out, but I've been calling on channel 8, trying to get out. Nobody can hear me. But when I seem to come out here, mobile, I'll get a few contacts.
I'm not hearing you very well at the moment because I've got a load of business users that are on the channel, and I suspect that they're using CTCSS, so they can't hear us, but their transmission is beginning to go out. We've gone to a clearer channel. Never mind.
Oh, it's okay. I've got to go anyway there, Chris. Well, thanks for the QSO. Thanks very much for the QSO. I'm very, very happy about this. You might hear me in the next couple of weeks on this channel calling out on different radios and different antennae. Okay, thanks for the QSL. I'll say 73s, 73s, 73s.